Today, Panmodi, Honorable Minister, Parliament Member, Parliament Member from Tamil Nadu, they both met me on behalf of the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. So they had a meeting, internal meeting within all the political parties of Tamil Nadu. They discussed various issues on the delimitation. So a proposal has been there that they are going to reduce number of seats in the southern part of this country. So I am very happy that Mr. Stalin, being the Chief Minister and a senior leader from the south, have decided to call a meeting and form a joint action committee to fight against this. We have to fight for our rights. So officially they came and invited me and the Honorable Chief Minister. So we will discuss with our senior leaders in Delhi. So I also have advised them to just discuss with our party high command. Then on the directions of the party high command, we will stand. They are a part of our alliance. They are the leading partners. So whatever high command decides, because our party also have to take a call on this. So we will all take their advice and go forward.
Sir, on the guarantee,
it is a good decision. As far as the Congress government's decision on guarantee, we have not formed this guarantee implementation committee today. The Congress party has given power. We have 138 plus 2, 140 seats in the assembly. We have not appointed today. We have appointed from the day we started implementing our programs by guarantees. We have formed a guarantee implementation committee from the state to the assembly level. They are doing their job for the poor. This guarantee is for all sections of the society who have been deprived and who have been affected on the price rise. We want to see that every family is being protected. So for the fair implementation, we have appointed our cadres, all political parties. In Maharashtra, they have asked every office should have a minister office should have an RSS workers. Though RSS is not a political party, why they have asked RSS workers to be coordinated between the government and the party and the RSS? They can do whatever they want. Here also they have done a lot of things like that. I don't want to comment. It is their political will. But this is the Congress political will. We want to see that our guarantee, earlier they criticized, including the Honorable Prime Minister and various leaders criticized about the guarantee. And now they are falling in line with our guarantee because the common man is suffering. In Maharashtra also they implemented, Madhya Pradesh also they implemented, now in Delhi also they have implemented they have said that they are going to do it. So Karnataka takes a lead in these guarantees. And even my Modi ji also in the parliament election also, he said that it is Modi guarantee. So where did the guarantee come from? The guarantee started from Karnataka, and we have given a word to them, to the country, and we will continue it.
Sir, on the sensational Ranya Rao case, the BJP is linking top mantris of Congress government with the Ranya Rao case.
See, it may be a BJP's link. It is not Congress link. Because there is nothing in that. No minister will be involved in any such type of scandals. My Chief Minister also has ordered some inquiry, the internal inquiry to be conducted whether any officers have been involved in the protocol issues. So I have also been traveled to Dubai. Even a ring will be taken out of us. Even our belt and watches also will be taken out of us. I am also shocked that how can 14 kilos can be brought inside in the airport by checking and checking out. So they will go for investigation. I am sure, confident, this is a BJP game plan. No ministers have been involved in it.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We invited them, they will participate in it.
Sir, Tamil bite, sir.
தமிழிலே அதான் முதலமைச்சர் அவர்கள் இந்த முதலமைச்சர்களை சந்தித்து 22ஆம் தேதி கூட்டத்திற்கு அழைக்க சொன்னார். அழைத்திருக்கிறோம். அவர்களும் கலந்து கொள்கிறோம் என்று சொல்லியிருக்கிறார். நன்றி.